Welcome to the NewsRamp Environmental and Energy Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Wednesday evening, December 17th, 2025, and we have a lineup of environmental and energy headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Mission IR News breaks, Platinum Group Metals litted, NYSMRG PTM stands at pivotal moment amid supply deficit. Platinum Group Metals lit PLG-PTM is strategically positioned amidst a global platinum scarcity. The company's Waterberg project in South Africa is poised to address the platinum shortage affecting various sectors. With a focus on platinum, palladium, rhodium, and gold, the project showcases potential for long-term production to cater to automotive and emerging hydrogen markets. Platinum Group Metals Ltd. is the operator of the Waterberg project, a significant underground palladium and platinum deposit. For more information, visit www.platinumgroupmetals.net. Mission IR News breaks, Safe and Green Holdings Corp., SGBX, nears completion of merger, marking shift to integrated energy company. Safe and Green Holdings Corp. is nearing completion of a merger, signaling a shift to become an integrated energy company. A shareholder meeting on December 29th will finalize the integration of Olenox Corp. And Mokfu Inc. into Safe and Green's structure. CEO Michael McLaren stated that this move marks the company's transition from modular construction to a fully integrated energy firm, focusing on industrial builds like generator sets, AI data centers, and cryptocurrency miners. Safe and Green Holdings specializes in modular solutions, offering safe and green building options across various industries. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided link.
Investor News breaks, Search Minerals Inc., SMY, OTC SHCF advances Canada's critical rare earth strategy in Labrador. Search Minerals Inc., a Canadian exploration and development company, is focused on maximizing critical rare earth element resources in Labrador. The company's core portfolio in the Port Hope Simpson St. Louis Cree District includes projects like Deep Fox and Foxtrot, along with over 20 new prospects. Additionally, the Red Wine Cree District in central Labrador is home to prospects such as Merlot, Two Tom, and Man No. 1. These districts play a key role in Canada's critical mineral independence strategy. Search Minerals is dedicated to exploring and developing critical rare earths elements as well as transition metals in Labrador, controlling 2 deposits, 2 drill-ready prospects, and numerous other Cree prospects. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
Praxis named 2025 Faith-Based Organization of the Year by Environmental Finance magazine. Praxis Investment Management, a company of Everence, has been named the Global 2025 Faith-Based Organization of the Year by Environmental Finance. This recognition comes after the launch of Praxis Investment Management's 2 ETFs and the release of their research on faith-based investing. Mark Regier, Vice President of Stewardship Investing, highlighted the importance of bridging the gap between investors and advisors in this field. Environmental Finance's Impact Awards celebrate impact investors and best practices, with winners selected by industry experts and the editorial team. Praxis is honored to be recognized for their work in helping clients align their investments with their faith values. Learn more about Praxis Investment Management and their award-winning work on the Environmental Finance website.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Environmental and Energy Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.